Welcome to the second part of the video series, How to Study Less and Study Smart. Do you know where you need to read? Should you read only in the reading room? What is smart reading in terms of place? Should you change the place of reading according to your mood? Where should you read in fact? This is a very big question. Should you stick to the reading room and get acquainted with the control of your parents? Or you can enjoy reading in the dining room? Can you read in the garden, getting oxygenated in the fresh air? Can you read in the laptop at the place of your convenience, having the access to the world of knowledge and information? Or can you read with your smartphone, roaming outside, or using tablet or Kindle, having access to different sort of informations of great value? Or can you read with your friend as a part of cooperative and collaborative learning? The second point of how to study less and study smart is very important. This is very important, and this is perhaps against that we have thought of. This is against what our parents have talked about and what we have been taught so long. We are taught that we need to study in a particular place so that there will be complete focus and concentration. That's why there is the mentions of study room, there is the mentions of reading room. But the more important point, as mentioned by Marty Lugdale and Benedict Carey, is that you can move to different place for reading. It is not that you should be confined to a particular place and read there only. You can read in your reading room, there is no doubt about that. But you can read in the dining room also. You can read in the garden. You can read wherever you want. And because of the online courses, because of the reading materials available in the smartphone, you can use it anywhere at any time, even in the night or wherever you go. You can go with your smartphone and use that for reading while you sit. So you can gain much more than sticking to a particular place. So even if this is against what our parents have been accustomed to, or what our elders and parents have asked us to follow, still this is quite crucial and important. We can use that. There shouldn't be a designated place for reading, but we can make change as we want. But one more important point you should remember: you should never study in the bed. You should never study in the bed, because when you are in the bed, there is every chance that you may drift off to sleep and your brain won't be active. There won't be active learning. When there is no active learning, whatever you read, that won't be to good effect. So just follow this principle and you can do well in the examination.